One of the amazing components of a Walkshop is the opportunity to bring together members of the municipality. Today we had the mayor, we had the councillor here, we had a number of different community organizations. We were hosted at the local town hall. We had community members, we had seniors, we had awesome youth.
The Walkshop today, really, really impactful. Like, you notice going through town, through city, but specifically this space, sort of driving through, it's a place that has so much opportunity. All of the land that we have, the space that we have, these trails that we have, that just need to be developed, make them more accessible, more usable for everyone in the community if you have disabilities or mobility issues.
I found the Walkshop was very valuable to me and to the municipality because it gave us an opportunity to hear from the public, from our partner organizations, as well as giving our partner organizations an opportunity to speak about the things that matter to them.
It was just incredible to see the power and the inspiration that came out of our event today.